mag-rest dito sa fourth set para hindi na mangyari yung nangyari sa third set.
Well, I think they had a lot of errors then nung third set. And one of the evident errors na nakita natin na medyo naka-affect din sa parang focus nila. Hindi nila
Parang naapektuhan sila talaga.
hindi nila alam kung saan ba talaga sila dapat pupwesto. But I think important thing as well is after that, they were able to talk things out and naging okay yung pwestuhan nila, but not until naging okay na yung set plays ng Capital One.
Hindi malaman kung ano sasabihin. So then, Coach Koji just said, okay, that's enough. We get back on the court. Let's sort it out. This one in play. Onto recovered nicely that time by Durendes. Nice set. But recovered by the back row. The strike, yes, it's 3-0.
Good start by Farm Fresh.
Good catch. Paraginot is now the setter for Capital One. Here she is. The tap. To no avail. Picked up nicely. Back row strike. Here comes this attack. And Tubo knocks it in.
And take a look at this.
Ganda ng pitik eh, oh. Ganda ng pitik. Here comes Cepada, the Cebuana. Long set. The push, the shove back. Elevated, Maradino. Blocked and out. Cheyenne just knowing what to do with that job. Or if you are alert to it, she'll hit it hard.
Oh, nice one.
That'll work. So too many things happening at the same time. Maraming masyado. Eh, dalawa lang yung kamay niya. Baon. Regalo. Bit of a joust, not firm. And that is inside. 7-4 count here.
Good defense.
Nice reverse.
Oh!
Nicely done.
She really wouldn't take credit of everything because for the past coaches, the past teams that she's been in as well, she'll definitely give credit to those people. Back to you, Seven Panay.
And saka matutulog din kayo. Roommates yung iba. Ugali ng bawat isa nakakilala. Look at this. Farm Fresh re-establishing its authority in this game. Now, pero yung vertical niya matindi.
And even sa blocking nga, yung vertical, ang taas ng vertical niya. Ang ganda ng pwesto.
Yeah. Tinaas. Off the block. Picked up by Marino. Pushed into that open space. Which has happened to them time and again. This battle. But to be fair, it's 12-6 lamang ang Farm Fresh.
Steady serve.
Ganda. Steady na. Tulis na tulis. Tusok yun. Rosara.
Service ace. Good start for
No, she did not.
Farm Fresh for this game.
Ronquillo has been brought back in anew for Capital One. This serve long.
Oh!
It looked long. And new players do that. Sino yung bagong pasa? Sino yung bagong
Yes, usually dun tina-target ka agad.
Sino yung bagong pasa? And
Oh!
second technical timeout has arrived. And it serves. Very deep. Oh,
Yeah.
look at this. An ace.
Nakadalawa siya kanina.
Oh, magkasunod pa, no? Back
Yes.
to back. Ooh, 18-7. Biggest lead, 11. Dikit sa net.
But nagawa ng paraan.
Yes, indeed. 18-8.
Yeah, that was a tough set from Nabor.
Rezanova will serve. Leading by 11. It flies down.
Oh,
That's long. Chance.
oh.
Yes. Bela Belen. It's that power eh. It's
Yeah.
how to use the hand really. Pwede. Uy.
Nice set.
Nice coverage. Nice set. No!
Oh, nice
Oo,
target.
ganda na. Kita mo sa kamay eh, no? Kita mo sa kamay na kasalok pababa eh.
Short ball.
Oo. Tagulo kayo dyan, sabi ni Louie. One more time around the block.
I think the set was low for Arce.
24-12, set point. One set point save. And here we go.
Yes.
Why not? As sweet as the sugar from these parts, we're going to a delicious fifth set to decide on who will take this game on tour.